Hey guys, we're going to take a look at SPY, one of the most popular S&P 500 funds out there, and we're going to see how much SPY we would need to own to be able to get $1,000 a month in annual dividends. This is my single fund investing calculator where I analyze a fund taking its fund stats, some of the basic fund stats, and then also play around with the growth and contribution numbers, and then we can see what we would get after 10 and 50 years. Let's head over to Seeking Alpha and grab some of this data and take a peek at it. SPY is SPDR's S&P 500 ETF, but their share price is sitting at $474 currently. Their 1 year cumulative return is 28% according to Seeking Alpha. We'll go over to Spider's website and check out their performance, but the 5 year cumulative return is 113% and the 10 year is 300%. Their dividend yield is 1.2% and their dividend rate or annual payout per share is $5.72. Let's take a look at their dividend history because we are doing a dividend video. You can see their dividend looks fairly safe at their max data. It is continued to go trend in the upward direction. I'm not sure if every single year they have increased their dividend. It looks like they may have taken a slide in 2009, 10, 11, but have continued their upward climb all the way to the end of 2022. If we take a look at 2021, the entire year they paid out $5.71 per share. 2020 was $5.69, 2019 was $5.61, $5.10, and $4.80. So it has grown $1 per share within the past 4 years. Let's head over to SPY's website. We click the performance tab right here. We can see what their performance has, what the fund's performance has looked like over the past few years. You can take a look at all the returns in this column right here. So this number right here is the absolute lowest return. If you take your money out of the stock market, you would have a return after taxes on distributions and the sale of your fund shares. Your total growth would have been 9%. In 1 year after taxes on distributions and sale of fund shares, it would be 16.5%. After 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years. But let's say you keep your money in SPY and you don't plan on taking it out anytime soon. We might play around with the growth and contribution numbers and bring that number up from this 9% if you were to take your money out, bring it up to about 20 to 25 and see what we would get at the end of 2022. So let's head back over to the calculator. Here's SPY. Their share price is $4.74. Dividend yield is 1.2%. And remember, that has been going up the past 10 years. Expense ratio 0.09. Quarterly payout of $1.42 per quarter. $5.70 per year per share. So let's play around with the growth and contribution numbers. Let's say we were at 15% growth. At the end of 2022, our 10,000 would have grown to 11,600. And if we continued the same trend of dividend yield and 15% annual growth, our 10,000 will have grown to 45,000. Now, most likely it'll be a lot higher than this due to inflation, but that's what we're looking at with today's numbers. Let's say you wanted to add $250 a month, or let's say $50 a week, $200 a month into SPY with $10,000. After 1 year, your $12,402, which includes your $200 a month plus your $10,000 principal, will have grown to $14,200. And here's what we have been waiting for. To be able to achieve $1,000 a month in dividends, you would need exactly $1 million worth of SPY at this current dividend yield number. If you guys enjoyed that, do all that good stuff, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.